Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today I will be demonstrating how to make an external hard disk drive from an old laptop's hard disk drive. This video is a part of a larger video that I have previously published titled Projects for Old and or Broken Laptops. If you want to see more laptop projects, please feel free to watch the full video. If the HDD of your laptop is intact, you can still use it to make an external HDD. One way to do this is by turning off the laptop, disconnecting it from the power grid, disconnecting the battery if possible, opening the laptop, disconnecting the HDD from the laptop, removing the metal case around it if there is one, and connecting the HDD to an HDD adapter converter with a USB, such as this one. But there is an even more elegant solution. HDD cases, such as this one, are relatively cheap. They have all the necessary electronics, allowing to connect an HDD to a computer via USB, and I must say they look pretty good. Make sure to check the interface on the back of the HDD before buying a case, as it can differ. So this was all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel so that you may be informed when a new video becomes available.